Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I would like to show you how to edit video using Capcut. If you want to edit your video, of course you have to open the Capcut and then you can click new project right here. Okay, click new project and then you need to choose the video that you want to edit. And I would like to choose this video. Okay. And after that you can click add right here. Okay, click add. And then the video has been imported to the Capcut. And on the Capcut, there are a lot of features that you can use. For example, if you want to add the text to your video, you can click text right here. And then if you want to add audio, you can click the audio button right here. And if you want another feature, you can swipe your screen to the right or to the left. And then if you want to cut the video, you just have to click on the video and then you can drag the video like this. Okay, and if you want to split the video, you just have to click split right here. And if you want to make it faster, you can click speed. Okay, and that's the tutorial from me guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.